Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make this, the famous Halo engagement ring, right? Everybody loves and knows about the Halo ring. They're very simple, classic. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this in CAD. Yeah, let's get this started. And hopefully this won't take long. This should last about 15 minutes, hopefully. So that way it's not too long. All right, let's get this started. So it's basically this ring. So we have a 1 carat over here, and then we have 1.2 milli 1.2 millimeter side zones for our halo, and for our side for our shank on the side. So we're gonna go ahead and delete all of this and start from the beginning. All right, follow along. If you think that I'm going too fast, just try to pause the video and then just follow along, all right, let's get this started. All right, delete all that. So now we're gonna start with gem loader. We're gonna start with 1 carat. So 6.5. okay, and then we're gonna load the ring size too. Ring size, ring rail, let's say it's gonna be size 7 or 7.5. all right, and then from here what we want to do is put this diamond up. Okay, I would say about from the rail, and the QLED over here, let's put it up by 2 millimeter. We can adjust that one later if you need to adjust it up and down, so that way your halo is not sticking up too high. It'll be just on a perfect height. All right, so when you have this okay, so now when you have the gem, the 1 carat, let's go ahead and then pull out the head builder right here, head builder. And what we want to do here is we just want to keep the prongs, so let's take this off, this rail, or we can put just one rail. All right, there we go. Okay, and then let's angle it. Okay, let's angle this. It should be about 1 millimeter, should be good here. Okay, alright, and then just press enter, and then let's try to save this. And then from here what we want to do is go to looking down view. Once we're here, we want to draw a circle. Okay, this would be like the rail for our halo. So circle, let's draw it on yellow so everybody can see it. Okay, and then from here go to the side view, pull this up. Okay, there you go. You can put this one anywhere, just right close by the prong. Alright, so now from here what we want to do is create a profile. This profile will determine the look of our halo. So go to profile placer. Okay, and then from here we want to select the profile, how it will look. So let's go ahead and do that. I would say we want it to look like a square but rounded. Let's say this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put 1.5 millimeter over here, and then about 1.4 over here. Okay, we can adjust this down. Alright, actually let's change that. Let's go to more round, square, like this. Yeah, let's go for this look. down more, and then we'll adjust that one a little bit more later. Let's just see how it looks when we sweep this. We're gonna sweep this. Also select your rail and then click surface, go to sweep 1, and then click your profile and then enter. Double enter. There you go. Alright, so now as you can see, this one maybe a little bit, let's turn on the Rhino history. So I'm just gonna sweep this one again. So sweep 1 to here, and then you can adjust this profile, and then it will adjust how it looks normally. It will follow your history of what you did. So there you go. That's why we turn this Rhino history and then the matrix history. All right, so I believe this one looks good. Let's look at it from the top. Move this a little bit closer. There you go. So there's not much gap in there. Alright, let's adjust the head builder that we have, the angle. Okay, nudge, hold it a little bit inside, a little bit more. Okay, so what we're designing here is just for look. It's not for production yet, right? We just want it to look good, so that way when you show it to the customer, it will look good. It's the prongs are not sticking up because it's not for production yet. So let's go ahead and save this. Yeah, save this. Alright, really job like that. So now we're gonna create a gemstones, your halo gems. Alright, so extract an isocurve, select here, and then maybe up to here. Alright, so we just extract a curve over here, and then this is what we're gonna use, so that way we can use the gem on the curve. Alright, so object, we're gonna size this to about 1.2. Here we go, put it here, and then over here adjust the spacing. There we go, that looks good. Alright, enter, and then let's show the prongs. Alright, so how do we do that? So we just click the gemstone, and then click prongs right here. Alright, okay, there we go. Prong height, adjust it, and let's adjust the nudge. Alright, okay, let's make this prong a little bit bigger, maybe 0.55. Alright, and then look at it from the top, and then from here, I want these prongs to be a little bit over here, so we're gonna move this, transform, scale from 2 views, F4, and then let's just move it like that. There we go. Yeah, make this green metal look. Alright, let's save this. So now what we want to do is we're gonna create a shank. So we're gonna draw a line over here, or actually we're just gonna draw a intercurve from this way, this way, this way, and there you go. Yeah, this looks good to me. So we're gonna go ahead and split from end to end over here, and then we're gonna delete the other half, but I only need this and here, right? So we're gonna join this. Okay, okay, we're gonna actually just split this, and then we're gonna blend from here to here. All right, and then join this. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and create a ring rail again to 7.5, so that way you can see if you're going below that rail. Because we don't want to do that. We want to just keep this round, you know, your ring rail, keep it round. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and rebuild this. Rebuild to 9, and then yeah, 9 and 3. Okay, and then now we can adjust this a bit. There we go. Okay, let's not forget over here, let's create the pilot holes. All right, so bring this, click your gems, click on gem cutter, and then go to style. We can try the just the regular pilot holes. This first one should be okay. Let's see where this at. 98%. Let's make this 100, and then we're gonna actually let's turn off the history. Gem cutter, and then we're gonna delete this. Here we go. Okay, so that way your jeweler already have this ready for you. You have this ready for your jeweler, that way they can set it nice and clean. All right, go ahead and save this again. So now we have this lines right here. This basically are going to be a shank. So let's now go ahead, the same thing, create a profile over here. Okay, let's make this 1.6 by 1.5. Add another one by about 1.7 on this side right here, and then add another one going this way, going up. So make this 1.5, and we want to put this all the way up. Alright, so now we're going to sweep this, sweep one, boom, like here, your top, profile, middle, and then bottom. Enter, and then let's line this up. Snap this on the center, midpoint. There we go, and enter. So now we have that. Now always remember, you can always change this profile. If you want this to be more rounded, just change this how it looks. You can bring this MSR, select the profile, and then you can select any profile. Okay, so but now for now we're gonna use this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cap planar this. Let's close that. All right, so we're gonna extract an isocurve again, and then create a gem, just like what we did on the halo. We put 1.2s. All right. Okay. Alright. Then yeah, I think this one looks good. Enter, and then great prongs. Alright, so already set 0.55. Yeah, looks good. And then now we can create our gem cutter. Let's cut this now, so that way we have it ready. Oops, that one didn't go through. Why? gem cutter again. Style, let's try for this second one. Scat again. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. So now what we want to do is put this on the other side, mirror it to the other side. Alright, let's make this green, metal layer 1, then save what we have. Okay, we're almost there. Just need to put the rail over here under gallery rail. So what we can do is pull out another profile, put it under here. Okay, put it the height could be approximately 1 millimeter, and then 1.6. Okay, so now we can use this. What we can do, and actually we're just gonna copy this, rotate copy, so F4 and all the way over here on the right side. All right. Okay, let's put this inside. There we go. So sweep one here to here. All right, here we go, and then mirror on the other side. Boom. Okay, then cap later. All right, there we go. We now have a halo. So yeah, that's basically how I do some of my halos. If it's gonna be just like this, very straightforward 1 carat halo, simple but effective, you will do the job. I hope you like it. Subscribe if you like the video, if you like this CAD tutorial. Like the video if you want. If you don't like it, it's okay too, all good. Alright guys, good luck. Thank you for watching.